Welcome. This video will guide you through the steps for viewing, managing, and deleting call recordings, and checking your storage availability in the admin portal. Let's jump right in. All right, so I'm now in our admin portal. The very first step is we'll need to go into Report Manager. This will bring up another browser tab that looks just like this. All right. Next up, we'll go into call recording. Now, we have a couple of different options here. As you can see, we have ACD call recording and non-ACD call recording. Now, what does this mean? ACD stands for automatic call distribution, which will translate to a call queue. So anytime you see anything ACD related, we're talking call queue. Just keep that in mind. So we'll go into one of these. Now, since I'm using one of our demo accounts, I don't have any call queues configured. However, the mechanics between these two sections are pretty much the same. So I'll just show you the non-ACD one. I ran a few test calls. All right. And it's really simple, pretty straightforward, actually. You can actually play, download, or delete these recordings. All right. We even have an option for playback speed, right? And now, keep in mind that deleting a recording frees up the space it occupies. All right. So that's very important. Now, let's say you want to check on your current storage, right? Does that make sense? We'll need to check Storage Manager. So we'll go into View Manager, Global User Add-on Settings, and then we'll click on Storage Manager. Here, it'll show you your purchased, used, and available storage for both call and connect sessions. All right. So let's say that you need more storage. We can select the call recording, go into Actions, and then click on Purchase. We'll enter the amount of storage you need. Let's say, 4 gigs. And then I'll just go into Actions and hit Save. Now, I don't really have the need for this, but this is essentially how you would go about buying extra storage. I will cancel just for this exercise, but I hope it makes sense. All right. And then one last thing we need to keep in mind is the auto purchase option. All right. Which is right here. If it's set to yes, this means that this 1 gig of storage will automatically be purchased when 90% of your current storage is used. If set to no, recordings will stop once you reach your full capacity, so 100% storage. I hope this makes sense. All right, and really that's pretty much it. We've covered how to manage your call recordings and check your storage availability. Keep an eye on your storage to ensure smooth operations. And don't forget about the auto purchase option to, avoid running out of space. All right. So I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.